In this video, we'll be setting up deposits for treatments. Start by going to Settings, then scroll down to Business Settings and select Treatments. When setting up your treatments, you have the option to request a deposit for a specific treatment. We'll use Botox as an example. Click Edit on the Botox treatment. Here you'll see your treatment details, including the treatment name, description, category, examples, and photos, such as before and after images, so potential clients can see the results. You can also specify which location offers the treatment if you operate from multiple sites, as well as set the treatment duration. Additionally, you can attach consent forms and aftercare instructions. For payment details, you'll see the total price of the treatment. For example, my Botox treatment is £350. You now have the option to add a deposit if required, or if you prefer clients to pay a deposit to secure their appointment. For instance, I've set a deposit of £150, which secures the booking. When the client attends their appointment, they simply pay the remaining balance of £200. You can also edit the treatment price and deposit if needed. For example, you could change the total price to £250 and the deposit to £50, then save the changes. This is how you can easily manage deposits for your treatments.